This is me romanticizing the beginning. I finally post my first YouTube channel after 8 years of dreaming about it, and nothing happened. I have been dreaming about starting my YouTube channel for at least 8 years, and I never did. The original idea was to create a channel to share about my adaptation moving to Canada. I am originally from Brazil and I moved to Canada when I was about 15 years old. And the idea was really to just share about my adaptation in a new country with new two new other languages. That was the goal. But I felt like I had nothing to say for some kind of reason. It's just didn't feel like it. So I spent pretty much 8 years dreaming about it. That was another moment I actually wanted to make a YouTube channel. And it was the moment that I wanted to make a YouTube channel about fitness and about yoga and about eating well. But I actually made the I actually made an Instagram page, but felt very silly. My house didn't feel very aesthetic, and I stopped doing it. So again, I was dreaming about it without doing anything. Now, what changed, right? I'm older. I'm not 15 anymore. I actually started working in creating content. Ironic, isn't it? And why YouTube channel? Well, I realized I like the long form better instead of the small form, the short form that Instagram provides you. It just felt more like me and a better way to connect to people. And you know what? I was so tired of waiting for the perfect moment. I was tired of waiting to speak better with a less accent. I was tired of waiting for the perfect house. I was tired to having the skill to talk to the camera. I was tired of waiting so much. So I just started. And don't get me wrong, just starting, it's not easy. And I always wished to start with intention. And I realized that I put that intention on my work with my clients. So why not use that intention with me? So the process. I actually made a video about figuring out your available moments and high energy moments. If not out, it will be coming soon, I promise. But the idea is I saw a window in my time. I am also a full-time student. So time, do we have it? We try. I took my winter break that I knew I was gonna have energy and no exams to think about. So I planned and I watched many videos, many videos on YouTube, which kind of motivates you, but also can do the other thing of motivating you anyway. So I watched videos, I got the information, I filtered, and with what I had in known from practice, I decided to apply. But long form, you have to make a script. And I wanted to make it intentional. I had pretty much a clear idea in my head what I wanted this channel to be and how I wanted to feel like. Didn't translate it completely naturally. And to be honest, there will probably be changes. The progress, the process, it's really accepting those changes will come. It's kind of accepting the uncomfortable, if you wish, and being okay with it. It's like being comfortable with being uncomfortable. Anyway, back to the progress, the process. Oh my god. Back to the process. So I in my Notion template, I started being addicted to Notion. I started scripting and I decided that I really wanted to go with sharing my experience here on YouTube about starting YouTube. Ironic. But I also wanted to tie it together with mindset and discipline and organization and planning, very concepts that I particularly love. So seemed fit. And I started scripting, I started creating my thumbnails. I had already this idea of what I wanted thumbnails to look like pretty easily, which is interesting personally. It always, before starting, you always feel like, oh, what if it's not good? Oh, I don't even know how I want it to look. It's just I turned that voice down, if you wish. I was tired of listening to her, to be honest with you. So I set myself a goal. At first, I wanted to film 20 videos in 2 weeks. We were delusional. But then I realized the amount of work, and I really wanted my videos to be high quality. So I was like, Victoria, I'm gonna have to reduce that goal. So I made it as a goal that I needed to film around 6 videos and script 8. I did script 8. So it felt like a big win. And for my launching, so it was not just starting. No, I wanted to have that energy of launching my YouTube channel. Why not? So I decided to launch 2 videos instead of just one. Research based on just made sense. If people like, they might want to watch my second one. Why not? And I still have other videos filmed and I need to edit them, but I was so excited. I put so much work in those weeks. I took my time to film, I took my time to script them, and majority of my videos there were at least an hour long. Maybe this one will be, but it's supposed to be a shorter one, a more raw. We'll see. Editing Victoria will let us know. But this is it. I was so excited. And so I just posted them. I guess second week of January they were posted and I was so happy. I actually made a little video about the moment. I will share with you probably right now. Okay, second video is public. Just now, literally. This is the date. And I really don't know how this video right now is gonna go. I just got home from school and I couldn't stop thinking about this. I was so excited to just put it out there that it's ready. Everything is out. We're posted. We're public now. We are finally public. So, you know, something that I wanted to do for years. It's finally out there. Yeah. We did it. Now, I mean, you gotta wait, keep doing it, having fun with it. I have so many ideas. There's so much more that I want to share, and I truly hope that the message, the intention gets to people, and yeah. Well, I hope we'll see. We'll see. Just this is very improvised. I really have not. I just thought let's record this moment. So okay, enough. Back to the video. So I was just very shocked. That realization of an 8-year dream coming to reality. I could have cried, or maybe I did a little bit, but it's okay. That wasn't exactly what I was expecting. When you post, you expect to get reaction. At least this is what we tell ourselves, right? We're scared. What if we're cringe? What if we're not interesting? What if we're boring? I posted. And so here's what actually happened. Nothing. I didn't get the 100 views overnight that I hoped for. Delusional. I didn't get tons of comments. I got 2 comments from my boyfriend. Very sweet, but that was it. I didn't get tons or not even many subscribers right away. I actually got 2 new subscribers. I started at 4. Somehow I had 4 subscribers even before starting. Don't ask me how or why. I honestly don't know. But nothing as expected happened. And don't get me wrong, it's been already maybe 9 days since I posted them. And one of the videos are doing pretty decently, to be honest, to be fair with you. I have more than 50 views, maybe 63 views. The other video is not doing super good. No, I think maybe 10 views. Yeah. But I learned and I worked on some stuff already. This channel I created because I really wanted to be honest. And for me telling you that nothing happened, it's not completely true because something did happen when I posted those 2 videos. I discovered I actually love doing this. more than I expected. And that's the win. That right there. That's the big realization, right? So, the idea here, the big takeaway that I would like for you to take from this video is if you have been dreaming about starting your own YouTube channel or about any other project, just know that the first steps, they don't have to be perfect. They just need to happen. And one philosophy, not philosophy, but a mindset I've been telling myself those 2 weeks. And still now, when I posted and I saw those results, those analytics, right? I am telling myself that, and what I saw all over the YouTube from other creators, that your first 10 videos, they will probably suck. And that's okay. And you know what? Remember being comfortable with being comfort no. And remember about being comfortable with being uncomfortable? Well, you know what? I'm ready. Please have those 10 videos suck. I want to pay those 10 videos. One side of me just want to get over it. I want to start to being good. Let's get over with sucking at it. Life doesn't work like this, sadly, and I can go on, and this video will never end, and this video has to end. The thing is, your first step can be literally you writing your first script of your first video, of you deciding what is your channel's name. It's actually the hardest decision, believe me. It was very hard for me. Maybe it can be you finding the platform or the system or where you're going to be writing your scripts or how you're going to be tracking. Are you going to use Notion? Are you going to use Word? Are you going to use Google? Are you going to use another app? You name it. It can even be you just practicing talking with yourself in front of the mirror. It's kind of a skill if you can talk with a camera. It's not a very easy one, I tell you, but it's possible to learn. I am a big believer that it's never late. It's never late to start something. And I like to think that a dream first starts inside of you, right? And if it does, and if you have the dream, it's because there's a possibility for it actually happening. I think the biggest realization I got from it is that, and honest, to be even more transparent with you guys, is that I realized that I was very scared, but I was not scared of sucking and making videos or of not succeeding. I was scared of not even doing it, of not even starting it. I realized that my biggest fear was actually not following that dream again. So please follow your dream. Go follow it now. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. And thank you for letting me share this first part of my journey here with you. Feel free to keep exploring more of my videos. More of this kind of videos to come, I promise. And hey, let's keep falling in love with the beginnings and let's keep writing our chapters. I see you in the next video. Bye. Damn, we did it in less than 30 minutes. I am shocked.